Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. I wanted to make a video about this. Been training this plant, this lilac, to a standard tree. I don't know if you could see it clearly. It's a bright, sunny day. Oh, wow, it's hard to see. I don't know if you could see it. Maybe I'll move it toward the fence next to the other lilac so you can see better. Okay, I just moved it by the fence so you could see the outline better. So this has been growing. This grew from a cutting from one of my lilacs. I'm not sure. I did not label it. Could not find the label. But this is either from my French lilac or the Charles Jolie. It's from, oh, it smells so good. Let me smell. Oh, it smells so divine. Beautiful, beautiful. So anyway, this is the same height as the French lilac, which is white. And you can see here, it's not completely straight. You can see, settle down. You can see the bend. Hurry, stop. Go over there, go play, go play. Okay. He wanted to say hi. So that's the base. And you see how it's kind of growing this way. I cut it there and it stemmed out. And so what I'm gonna do is trim off these. So through time I'm gonna trim this off, and it's gonna be, this is the main. I'm gonna trim off this side, and it's trimmed off here where it shot out to other stems. So I'm gonna trim off this, and this. And you can see it's not completely straight, but I'm okay with that. And it's gonna be a lovely lilac standard tree. I'm gonna keep in a container. So let me get, don't smell it, I just put fertilizer. I just repotted it into a larger pot. I couldn't find a larger one because you can see this French lilac right here. It's in a larger plant and it's like way to the sides. I need to repot that next season. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my pruning shears and trim off the side shoots so that it encourages just the main growth here. And I'm gonna trim off here so it'll encourage more branches here, because I don't want it just growing on and on length. I want to create more different shoots growing. Okay, let me get my pruning shears. Okay, so I have my pruning shears, and I just fertilized and watered it. So I'm gonna keep this main length, this lead here. And no, you can't play with these pruning shears. Okay, I'm gonna trim it here so it will die back. No, watch out. I'll tear. No, I don't want you to get hurt. Excuse me. Can you go on that side and play with a toy? This is not a toy. This is pruning shears. And then I'll trim off this one here. Yeah, whoops. And then, whoops, I'm gonna prune off this one. And I'll trim it a little bit more there and here. So this will die back. You do not want this growth here. Nope, don't eat that. It's fertilizer, that's just a lilac. So there it is for now. And through time, I'm gonna trim here, so this will be more smoother. You can see the side angle. It's not completely straight, but I'm okay with that. And I'm very curious to see when the blooms come out, if this is a French lilac or the Charles Jolie. So I'm excited about this. Put the pruning shears down. So this is my training a lilac shrub to standard. This is grown from a cutting. I transferred it to a larger pot today and pruned off the side branches so that it can focus on sending more energy for roots and growing here. I'm going to trim it. You see, right. Actually, there may be some buds there, but that's okay. I needed to focus on the growing the roots and here. So what I'm gonna do is trim it right here with my pruning shears. It's just the start of the season, so it's okay. We have a long more ways for growth. So here we go. And I cut it right above this node here, so it'll encourage this to grow more shoots. And I'm gonna do it also for this side. Actually, this needs to grow a little bit more, then I'll trim it once that grows out more. And yeah, training to standard. Thanks for watching. Follow for updates on my lilac standard. Have a good day. Alter, no, come here.